Okay, so now the final thing. So what happens once you finish the Interactive Java Workbook number 1? You go on to number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. So these are all lessons. They should be done in that order. So each part of this Java Workbook contains some of the lessons. So let's see, for example, let's say that I finished this one and that I want to open another. So I want to open Interactive Java Workbook number 2. So I go here to the main menu, and there is an option here, Learn and Teach. And now I choose the option Browse Courses. And then I see the same dialog as in the beginning. There is an option here that says My Courses, and here is the course that I have already opened, and here is my progress, and these are the details about the course, but I want to open the second one, so I choose again Open Course from Disk. And once again I put the zip file in the Downloads folder, and now I choose Interactive Java Workbook 2 zip file, and then I say OK. And here are the details. This is volume 2 of the multi-volume collections of tasks that covers object-oriented programming, and so on and so on. So that's fine. Now I click on Start. So the course is being loaded, and OK, I trust the project, and the course is loaded in another window. So I can close the previous one. Actually, I can close this window with the workbook 1. I can open this one with the workbook 2, and the structure is actually the same. So the first lesson that you run into is actually not a lesson, it's a license agreement, and once you accept that one, you go on to the next lesson. So in the Interactive Java Workbook number 2, methods, constructors, global variables and methods, constants, relationships, and enumerated type are learned, and the tasks are about these topics. So the structure is the same. There is a theoretical lesson at the beginning, maybe several ones like here, and then questions. After that, code completion, syntax correction, code correction, tasks, alternative solutions, and so on. So generally speaking, now once you have opened several workbooks, you can switch between them here. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you can choose the workbook 1 or the workbook 2, or whichever one you opened previously. You do not have to go again and load it from disk and so on. So that's about it, and happy coding!